Okay, so first of all, I want to let you know the homework for next class will be 393, page 393, identifying 1 through 8. 1 through 8, identifying page 393. I'm not going to finish this chapter today because this chapter has so many things to cover. Let us go now to page 402, genetics. So when we study genetics, you see that genes control basic body structure. And then what's happened? You descended from your parents, and you have characteristics of your father and your mother. And this is genetics. So as you go on page 402, you see reproduction and heredity. So you see there that we have animal and plant that are asexual. So they don't need sex in order to reproduce. And we have sexual reproduction. So we have asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now, even on the plants too, you see fungi. They don't need any pollination or anything that a normal plant uses for reproduction. Now, when you see on page 403, you see two important process that is very, very important on the reproduction of these cells. When you see the first one, you see mitosis, process by which a cell divides to form two new cells. So you have one cell, you see there on picture, on page 403, follow with me on the book, you see one cell that forms two cells. This is a process of mitosis. This process happens in all our body cells. Every day or all the time, our cells are reproducing new cells. And one cell change what? Or reproduce another cell. So you have one cell that will make what? Two more cells. But when you come to sexual reproduction, and then you have what? One cell that you divide in 4 cells. How this thing can be? So if you read here on page 403, you're going to see that 23 chromosomes coming from what? Our father. I wrote here. This is a symbol of a man, and this is a symbol of a woman, or male and female. So 23 chromosomes coming from a father, and 23 chromosomes come what? For a mother. These 23 chromosomes get together and will form what? Zygote. Zygote, that's what? 46 chromosomes, that's 23 pair of chromosomes. And this chromosome, each one of those, this one is one cell, this one is another cell. And these cells come with all the information for your mom. And this one, all the information, all the characteristics from your father. And all these cells coming together, these two cells, and make one cell. But these cells have the process of meiosis. This meiosis is a process that one cell divide what? Divide in 4 cells. They have 2 divisions. As you see here on page 403, you see meiosis. And then you have what? Before meiosis, what happened? 2 copies. And then you have there cells copy, DNA, divide in 2 separate genes copy. And then you see there that this cell ended up what? In 4 cells, and each of these cells has just have 23 chromosomes. But if you go to mitosis, you have there that each cell has what? 46 chromosomes. So one cell divided in two, each one has 46 or 23 pairs. And in mitosis, you see that one cell has two divisions, and then there are what? Each one with 23 chromosomes. So, and then we go to page 404, where we're going to study transfer of genetics information. What is replication? What is replication and what is transcription? And then you're going to see the DNA. What is the DNA? And then you see here this picture. I would like you to read this one, and I'm going to talk about, and you read until Gregor Mendel, that one that starts to discover this beautiful process of genetics, and then the beautiful science of genetics. And then you're going to see the laws of inheritance, and the laws of dominance, the law of recessive, and then we're going to study that until page 407, when we're going to put male and female together, and you're going to see what will be the result of that. Who is dominant, who is recessive. So I appreciate very much if you read that, and then we're going to continue study genetics next class. Thank you.